Introducing the 2024 Mitsubishi Space Star, a compact car that redefines performance and efficiency. Under the hood, it boasts a 1.2-liter inline-3 engine, delivering 71 horsepower and 1.3 newton-meters of torque. This setup provides a balanced performance, ideal for both city driving and highway journeys. The Space Star accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 12.2 seconds, making it agile and responsive. One of its standout features is its fuel efficiency, with a combined consumption rate of 4.6 liter per 100 kilometers. Inside, the cabin is designed with comfort and practicality in mind, featuring keyless entry and auto-folding mirrors. The car also features cruise control, perfect for long drives and maintaining a consistent speed. Despite its compact size, the Space Star offers a comfortable and user-friendly experience. The interior features leather-wrapped touchpoints and a combination of leather and patterned textiles on the seats. The infotainment system is intuitive, ensuring you stay connected and entertained on the go. The 2024 Mitsubishi Space Star is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a compact car that doesn't compromise on performance or style.